Hey guys, my name is Ethan, this is Carberra. Welcome to So I teach you how to build a Discord bot for your server. There we go, got there in the end. Today, it's a small change of plan from what was originally planned. We were going to be creating a report system in this video. Instead, we're going to create a modmail system, which can be used as a report system. I was originally going to do a report command, but report commands don't really support discrete reporting at all, which a lot of people would want to do, so people probably would never use it. So we're going to do modmail instead, which for those of you that don't know is when you DM the bot and the bot sends that message or relays that message on to the moderators. So, which is actually something I didn't know until like a few days ago. I'd been told a ton of different definitions of modmail, all of which wrong apparently, because I found out what it meant literally about 3 days ago. That's fine. So we're actually going to come into our init file. We're not going to do this in the mod. It was originally placed here because we're going to do it in the mod, but we're not actually going to. We're going to import DM channel from Discord to do that up there. We're going to come all the way down here to the on message. We're going to say if not message.author.bot. We're going to keep that in. We're going to say if is instance. Oh, whoops! Is if instance message.channel DM channel, and then we're just going to pass that, and then we're going to else, and then put that in there. So a few things I want to talk about this line. I'm fully aware that you can do if not message.guild. That will work for DM channels. The only thing is that I don't know if it's limited to DM channels. I know for a fact that this will only work if it's a DM channel. I don't know if this will work. I think this fires if the guild is unavailable at the time as well, which could potentially cause problems. So you might want to use a DM channel, one, just for readability's sake, because it's more clear what's going on, and two, just to make sure that everything doesn't work. But yeah, if we are doing a DM channel, our modmail is going to go here. Otherwise, it's part of a guild, so we need to process the commands. So what we're going to do here is we are first off going to do a little bit of validation. So we're actually going to make sure that our modmail is actually really long enough, because we don't want people spamming it. So if len message.content is less than 50, we await ctx.send message. Your message should be at least 50 characters in length. Else we are just gonna quickly load up the mod cog that I just had open, because and we're going to take, whether it's embedded, here it is. We're going to take this and we're going to plonk it in here, and then we're going to make our amendments to it. So we're going to do modmail. We're going to have message.author.color there, and it's on UTC. We're going to change this to message.author. We're going to change this to message.author, and we're going to have the member thing still there. And we're going to have a message argument here. Whoops. And we're going to have that to be literally message.content, so just the flat out actual content of the message. And then here we can't actually use self, so we're going to set this as mod, and we're going to do mod equals self.bot.getCog mod, and then we're going to use mod.logchannel. So that should all work. Oh, we actually need to indent this properly. Oh god, it's gonna be like that, are you? You're gonna be that guy. There we go. Cool. So that should all work fine. Once we have that, we can now run the bot and see if we get any errors, which doesn't look as though we are gonna do. I accidentally cleared too many messages in this channel, which is why it looks different. We're going to go here, and we're going to message Carberra to say hello, and you'll see that I've taken an attempt at this already. Sorry. CTX not defined. God damn it, we actually still messed it. We've taken one attempt if we still managed to mess it up. What the hell is it? That actually reminds me I haven't done, oh, in the wrong place. That actually reminds me that I haven't done something else as well. So we actually need to do message.channel.send. Because is there any other CTXs? No. And we're just going to do await message.channel.send message relayed to moderators. Cool. That should now work fine. So we do a hello. Hello. Message should be at least 50 characters away. There should be. It's still not. Okay. We'll mash it a bit more. And we've still got an attribute error. Bot has no attribute bot. Oh yeah, because I'm. It's just self. The self is the bot in this. I'm so used to working in like inside cogs to do that sort of thing. Boom. Why? Non-typers. Excuse. It's a capital M. See, the name of the bot is taken from the name of the class, and the name of the class, of course, is we have a capital M because it's a constructor. So we actually need to pass the capital M in here. I forgot about that. I'll just do our mashing while we're waiting for it. Message relayed to moderators. And we have our logs here. So we have our mod mail. We don't have a colour for some bizarre reason. Oh yeah, because not in the guild, but we can fix that. So you have member Parafox here. Oh, it doesn't use the display name. Oh yeah, because it's not part of the guild. I'll have to do some quick amendments to that. And then messages like that. This mod mail thing is only really useful in single server stuff. You wouldn't really want to be doing like I don't know, like you wouldn't want to be doing it on a multi-server bot because you wouldn't be able to specify what guild it goes to unless you then get the user to explicitly specify the guild ID in the message. But who the hell is going to do that? So we could do self.guild, sorry. Dot get member message.author .id, and then we can use that to then sort out the color and the display name. We don't actually need. It's actually slightly faster to just use member here because it's less access. Message.channel, that's fine. So that should be okay now. We should have the color and we should have the whoops. We should have everything else. I should relate to moderators. There we go. So we have the color. We have the proper name now, and we have our message. So that is a mod mail system. This is a really short video actually, because a mod mail system is thankfully quite easy to do. Yeah, but this is essentially a really good way of reporting members. Again, not particularly useful for multi-server bots. Single server bots is great. And it's just a really nice discreet way of doing all this stuff, of reporting on the members and exposing security flaws, or disclosing security flaws, sorry, in a responsible manner. But yeah, that will do it for this. If you like the video, and say hello down below. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down below as well, or join the Discord server using the link in the description. If you really like the video, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you get notified of future uploads. If you really like the video, then consider supporting me on Patreon. Of course, you don't have to do it, but it would be really cool if you do. Next time we're talking about anti-spam and anti-swearing and stuff. So getting rid of swear words in the server. And doing all that jazz. So yeah, I'll see you then.